In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to home screen in Framer. To get started, open Framer and go to your project dashboard. From there, select the project you want to edit so it opens inside the editor. This is the main workspace where you'll be adding your video and configuring it to behave like a proper background element on your home screen. Once the project is open, click the plus icon to insert a new element. In the Insert menu, choose Media, then locate the video component. Drag that video element onto your canvas and place it in the section where you want the video to appear. If you're building a hero section or a full-width top banner, this is usually the area you'll want to target. After the video has been added, click on it to bring up its settings. Look for the sizing options, click Fixed, and change the size to fill. This is an important adjustment because it allows the video to expand and cover the entire section more naturally, giving you that polished background video look rather than making it feel like a small embedded player. Next, click Upload, then choose Choose File and select the video from your device. Once the upload finishes, you can fine-tune the playback settings so the video runs smoothly in the background. Set playing to yes so the video starts automatically. Then set loop to yes so it continues repeating instead of stopping after one pass. After that, set controls to hide. Hiding the controls keeps the page looking clean and prevents the video from feeling like a separate media player. Finally, set muted to yes. This setting is especially important because many browsers won't allow autoplay unless the video is muted. If this option isn't enabled, the video may not start automatically when visitors land on the page.